afternoon and welcome. My name is Sandra. My channel is called SussexSandra and welcome. Right, lucky. I'm actually doing some filming in the mid-afternoon. I happened to go into work, so I did some visits around town and I wanted to try and get into the office so I can actually print out some of my reports. Couldn't find any parking, so I decided to come home and work from home instead. But just before I settle down and do some work, I thought, oh, let me just do a few little videos whilst I've still got natural daylight. So here I am. Right, I'm going to do an unboxing. It's a box that arrived today. It is my Treasure Tress box. For those of you who don't know anything about Treasure Tress, look at that, that's arrived. So Treasure Tress is a subscription hair box for people with curly hair, afro hair, coily hair, kinky hair. A bit of texture in your hair, particularly I would say for people who have got sort of type 3 and type 4 hair. I've talked about different types of hair before, but it's all about the definition of your curl. So the tighter your curl, the more you're in need of boxes like this. Right, so the box costs £20 a month, plus it's either £2.95 or £3.95, the postage and packaging. There are 3 different types of boxes. You can get a box for the little kiddies, same price, but the box will be more geared towards them. Then there's a box for the teenagers as well, again more geared towards them. And then there's a box for the older person, so my age group, well, not my age group because I'm old, but you know, adults, 20 odd plus. Okay, shall we get into this box and I can stop waffling? What I normally expect inside this box is sort of 4 to 5 full-size items. There's usually 5 items, and they do tend to give full sizes, which I like because I hate getting sachets. I don't mind getting sachets if it's in addition to the 4-5 full-size items. They do tend to do boxes that can be takeovers, so it'll be taken over by a brand. So for example, in January the box they had was an As I Am, so it was all As I Am brand, so that was brilliant. Didn't get that box. Oh, because I get the box bi-monthly now, because I don't go through the products as quickly as I used to, because I tend to have my hair in braids at the moment, protective styling, so I'm not washing my hair as intensely as I do normally when I have my hair out. Does that make sense? You know what I mean. Alright, so I get a box every 2 months now, but you can do that. And the other thing with Treasure Tress as well, if you need to pause your subscription because you know you are starting to build up products, just email them, let them know, and they will pause your subscription until you're ready to start again. There is no issues with that, and you don't have to worry about cancelling. Just pause it until you're ready to start back again. Right, here we go. Here's the box. I've been getting emails recently because I think they're deciding to change the design of the box, which would be a shame because I really like this design with my little girl here in her box and a nice big afro. I've kind of got fond of that. I tell you what, this box has got some weight to it, so I'm interested to see what's inside it. And it's actually, the timing's quite good because I'm hoping there's a really good deep conditioner in there. I've got deep conditioners upstairs, but it's always nice to try something new. And I'm literally thinking about taking these out, these faux locks out. So these are crochet braids. Thinking about taking these out this weekend. Kind of getting tired of it, and it's looking really shabby in the front. I'm also thinking about dyeing my hair before putting in the next thing. All these things I think about. So let's see how I feel. Right, here we go. That's the inside of the box. That's what it looks like. Got a little leaflet on top here. So it says here, Happy Galentine's. So we've got our girl there with a nice, good head of afro there. This is all about self-love. Happy Valentine's Day, sis. Remember, the regard for one's own well-being and happiness is the most selfless forms of the word love itself. There you go. You can't look after anybody else if you're not looking after yourself. That's it. So we've got here got all that information there. I don't know if this is a hint of all the brands we've got. Umberto Giannini, Cream of Nature, Pure Honey, Revlon Realistic, Palmer's. And this is one of the girls who works for Treasure Tress. She's been part of the whole gang since the start, and she's now, you'll see her a lot now on Instagram. She does lots of Instagram posts now, so look out for them on Treasure Tress, where she's actually posting how to use the products now. So I can see their numbers are increasing and following. So if you're interested to see how to use the products, just follow them on Instagram, and she will normally monthly, sort of usually about a week after they've posted the boxes out, they'll do a video of how to use the product. So it's always good to know. So the next lot of pages is about the ingredients that might be featuring inside the products in the box. Oh, okay, I've seen some of the, I've just opened it up and seen some of the products in there. It looks like some of the products I have received before, but they are products that I've liked. So let's open it. So the usual problem I have is that once I've opened this box, it's whether I'm going to see the products ever again. Because once my daughter gets hold of it, I can say bye. So there we go. The product looks good, and I can see why there's a bit of weight to this box. Interesting. Okay, let's go. Let us go. So, got a little leaflet, got some blurb at the beginning, so let's do that first. So, hey tribe. It's finally February. Damn, don't I know it. It's cold out there. I mean, my nipples are like hard, so you don't want to know. But it's cold out there. Right, okay. I went off on another tangent just then. Right, so what we got here. We don't know about you, but January was the longest 5-week year ever. In it though. Right, maybe we went too hard over the holiday season and expected to recover faster than we did, or maybe it's those New Year resolutions and new gym membership that have us feeling some type of way. Well, I don't know about New Year's resolutions and gym membership. Not this lady. Anyway, all we know is we can't be the only ones glad to see the start of a new calendar month. A new month means a new box and a new wash day. Here it is, loves. Enjoy. So the first thing we've got is from Umberto Giannini, and it is, let me see if I can get the right product up here. I can just see me not seeing any of this stuff. My daughter's going to take all of this. So this is from Umberto Giannini, and it's the Coily Curls Moisture Sulfate Free Gentle Vegan Shampoo. I can see this being a shampoo that a lot of people with all different types of hair would enjoy using. So you did it, ladies. After countless emails, comments, DMs, it's here. The rest of the Umberto Giannini Coily Curls range, as highly requested. It's time to drench your tresses and separate them into 4 sections. Apply this gem to the roots a section at a time and gently massage your scalp. Once you've worked this product through each section, rinse thoroughly. No need to massage your hair lengths. The cleansing will happen as you rinse. Oh, this is good. So it's a full size item. Once opened, it lasts 24 months. This one even lasts 3 months in my house. Well, I don't think it will last 2 months. It's 215 mils, which is 8.4 US fluid ounces. Let's have a little snifter. Pleasantly fragrant, not too chemically. So that's the first item. What I will do, if I can find the price of the products in the UK, I will post that on the screen above. Okay? Just do my little thumbnail here. Right, that's the first item. So following on to that is the conditioner that goes with it. And this is the Curly Coils Moisture Recovery Vegan Conditioner. No, it's not a typo, it's moisture. This product is going to do just that. It's going to replenish and rehydrate your curls and give you healthier, more defined curls. Infused with shea butter and argan oil, detangling will be a breeze. Keep in your sections, apply this to your cleansed hair. Apply generously throughout the lengths of your hair, paying close attention to your ends. Once each section of your hair has been evenly coated with the conditioner, you can detangle using your fingers or a wide tooth comb. Take your time and work from tip to root for this step. Multi-purpose product alert. Woohoo! So this beaut doubles up as a leave-in too. Okay, that's cool. And again, I will put the price of this product above. And I like the fact that it's got a pump as well, which is good. Especially with me and my old weak hands. I'm having lots of problems now with products. I have to squeeze the bottles because I can't get products out. I really can't. You want to see the problem I'm having with one of my foundations. I've got it here. I have, oh yes I have. So going off on a tangent here, but this Cover FX Play foundation, I absolutely love this foundation. I can't get the product out because I'm at the point now, I've nearly finished it and trying to squeeze it out, my hands can't do it. So any product where I can just pump, squeeze easily, it's all good. Got to think about us ladies with our hands here. Right, next is this. Okay, I actually quite liked this conditioner. So, and this is the buttercream. Oh, I know my daughter loved this one. So this is from Revlon Realistic Black Seed Oil Strengthening Buttercream. So this just smells absolutely dreamy. It's the tropical floral scent we need to get us through this winter weather. Your hair is going to love it too. This leave-in is infused with a super ingredient, black seed oil. Not only is it amazing for detangling, softening and moisturising your hair, but black seed oil is also known for its strengthening properties. It's super easy to use. Apply a generous amount to your hair while it's damp, focusing on your lengths and ends. Once complete, you can style as desired. So that is all cool. So that's a nice gel to use after you've washed and conditioned your hair. And oh, this is unusual. This is something I've never seen before. It's all carefully wrapped in cling film. Thanks for doing that, ladies, because it prevents any leakages during transit. I've never seen this product before because I really like the Cream of Nature Pure Honey range. I like the shampoo and the conditioner. As just a typical quick wash day, I love those two products. They're really, really good. I've received those twice in previous boxes, Treasure Tress and the other hair subscription box I used to subscribe to. Right, so here we go. So yeah, setting lotion. I haven't used a setting lotion in ages. So how are they suggesting we use this then? So Cream of Nature Pure Honey Texturizing Curl Setting Lotion. Oh, you thought we were done? They're all about full ranges over here. If you've been with us for a while, you would have had the chance. You've had the chance to try. They meant to say chance, but they've written down change. So you've had the chance to try 5 of these products back in August 2018. Yeah, back then. We then featured the Curl Activator in August 2019 when the range was extended, and this month we're giving you another product from the extension. Your Twist Braid Out is about to be bomb. Oh, they're using it for braid out. Oh, that's cool. Apply this to your hair when it's damp or wet, or you would before any twist braid out. Comb the product through the lengths of your hair before twist braiding and allow your twist braids to dry completely before unraveling them for the big reveal. Okay, so we're saying using it now for your twist braid out. That's unusual. So I'm just wondering, wouldn't this have been better put in a spray bottle then? Maybe as a dispensing method, if it's going to be used for your twist braid out, or if you're going to use it for a traditional set, you know, back in the day when you set your curls under the hairdryer. Again, wouldn't it have been better in a spray bottle maybe? But then all the bottles in this range are in little sort of milkshake style bottles like this, so I can see why they've kept the thing. So that's our 4 full-size products in the box this month. So as I said, they'll give you 4 to 5 full-size bottles. I will give the price of all of the items in there. And the last little bottle they've given us a little sample of something here. And it's the Palmer's Cocoa Bottle Formula and your original. So we've just got a nice little bottle of that. We've got a nice little container of this. I mean, everybody knows this product. This is just good for your hands, especially like now. See how my hands are dry? So Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula, original solid jar. Happy Valentine's Day, sis. This bonus skincare gift comes by way of Palmer's. We all know that self-love is the best love and self-care is the first form of this. So this Valentine's Day, take on an extra few minutes in the shower, bathtub, light some candles, enjoy. Once you've done, towel dry and rub a generous amount of this beauty into your skin in circular motions. It's great for day-to-day use and its deep moisturising properties make it an amazing overnight treatment too. Yeah, so personally this is like probably the best body moisturiser you can get out there. It's the original. Yeah, it's the OG. This is the thing. Alright, so there we go. So that's our box from Treasure Tress this month. So yeah, I think that's a pretty good month this month, ladies. That's your Treasure Tress box for February. So I think that's a nice box of love to give to yourself there. Yeah? Alright guys, let me know what you think down below. And if you've got your box, are you happy with your box this month? I know sometimes people aren't happy with the boxes they get. I mean, I just appreciate if I get a shampoo, conditioner and a good quality leave-in conditioner. If I get those things, I'm happy with it, especially if they're products which haven't got too much crap in them. So yeah, I'm all good. And it's nice to get some new products as well. So yeah, I'm all happy with that. And don't forget, £23 in total. You're not going to argue with that. And it's delivered to your door. Come on now. So yeah, that's the treasure tress this month. Let me know what you think down below. Alright, thanks very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give me a like above, because it lets YouTube know that people are watching and they're enjoying my videos. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, what are you waiting for? I do my best to try and post as regularly as possible. I must admit I haven't been as regular as I could have been recently because it's just work. Work is just crazy right now, and we've got the whole infectious disease control, trying to control people's panic at the moment with this whole coronavirus. So, you know, it's just one of those things really. So yeah, stay subscribed and you'll know when I upload my videos. I can't give it a regular day of when I'm going to upload videos because I just can't. When you work full time, you just can't do these things really. Alright, thanks for watching. Take care. See you soon.